Well, Tom, I'm about to toss it over to our feline representative meteorologist who's been, braving this fantastic blizzard Kayla for the last 12 hours, and we're going to get their side of the story. Pepper, how has the blizzard affected you? I'll take that as cold. Let's take a look out here, Tom. Wow. We must have gotten at least 16 inches in the last, well, it's 1:30, 2 o'clock now. I'd say about 14 hours. It's a good inch and a quarter an hour. It's simply beautiful. It's actually, I'm not wearing a coat out here, as you can see. It's fantastic out here. There's just a slight breeze from the northwest. It's fantastic. But there sure is a lot of snow out.